Hi everyone, welcome to Cock channel. Today, let's make this cute spring flower hair clip. Let's get started. Take a pink pipe cleaner and fold it back and forth in 2 cm sections. Keep folding until you reach the end. Take another pink pipe cleaner and divide it into 3 equal sections. Cut it into 3 equal pieces. Stack the 3 pieces and twist the center 3 times. Curve each section into a round petal. Gently adjust the curves. Glue a pom-pom in the center. Use a green pipe cleaner to make the spring. Check the size as you roll it. Thread the extra end through the center to secure it. Wrap the middle section around a pen 4 to 5 times. Roll the remaining end into a circle. Now it's time to assemble everything. First, glue on the hair clip. Then attach the small flower. And your spring flower hair clip is complete. Add a touch of color for extra contrast. Super easy, right? If you make one, don't forget to show me.